I just have little stones here to step on. Nothing fancy. Do the job though. Alright, so this is my little beach. It's kind of nice and beautiful here. I love it here. And right here, I've got this sort of natural barrier that the sand washes up against it. And this is kind of what keeps the sand from ending up all over there. Well, some sand, you know, washes through here and gets over there. But anyway, I want to make this nice. So, SeaWall. Well, it's pretty good. Alright, that was a few days ago that I got those in. And the tide's been very high. Like, well, a little bit higher. This is almost the highest tide right now. And the bricks have been fine. Not that I was expecting any problems. So yeah, I'm just going to keep going. So, under this first brick, there's nothing. I mean, sand. Second brick, there's sand. After the third brick, under it is a short brick. And then under the last one, that piece there is a little bigger. It's about that size actually. And it looks like I could fit another 2/3 brick at the end of that one before I have to put a full one. I guess I'll just shut up and keep going. It is going to be interesting seeing how this goes right now because I'm going to be working underwater. But it's good to see how that's going to be because when I get, you know, out to here, I'm not going to have a choice because the tide doesn't go down that far. Holy cripes, can we get a cloud? God, it's hot. Oh, it feels good on the water. Good thing I have my sun hat on. What? I'm at the beach. Get around and come with you or somewhere. Make sure you have a long sleeve shirt. It's really sunny. These roots are the only thing holding this garbage together, and they're from a dead tree, so we need to replace all this before it, disintegrates and all this washes away. I'm working on the bricks here. You can come swimming if you want. Preferably with a hat, or you could go in the shady spot. All right, underwater situation. Let's see how this goes. What? I'll come down. All right. Is anyone else coming, or are those guys playing video games? Your biggest sister's not playing video games. What's she doing? Reading books? No, Bellatrix and Kirkana are playing video games, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, what's Aurora doing? Oh, she didn't let you look in her room? Oh, who knows? Oh, wow. That was not that hard to get in.
So cold.
Colder. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to do with this today. It's so hot. All right, come here. I'm going to turn. You know. Let me see this foam.
I know, because it got wet in the water in the cellar.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, we need to sew it.
Well, I can sew it right now. I've been bricking pretty good though.
I'll do that.
Alright, throw some sand behind it. Yeah, we should get some of the sand out and wash it away. Put that on it. Okay, you stay over there. You make sure it gets in there.
Oh, some didn't.
Throw it in.
I got in with some water.
There, get that in there.
Doesn't matter
Nice,
if I get
nice
wet.
tile
That's
brick?
swimming. Doesn't really matter if I get wet.
No, you can get wet. You're swimming.
Yeah.
Yeah, get wet.
Yeah, that's
Jump
what
in.
I came in the water. So I cannot hit some because it's nice and cold water.
This is cool.
I can actually swim. My head will kind of go on the other side. You have to make a humming noise while you, if you want. Hey, the lights upside. They don't have floaties on.
Should I cover it out here? Mostly I'm just going through sand. There's a bit of... It's sunny today. Whew.
Are you gonna get more bricks?
Am I going to get more bricks? No. I think we're going to go make pizza now.
Okay.
Pizza sound good?
Yep.
Alright.
I love you.
I love you too.
I love you.
Well, I love you.
I love you.
No. I love you.
I love you.
No, I don't know what you're talking about. I love you.
I love you.
No. I love you.
I love you. I love you. I
What? What are you talking about? No, no, I love you.
No, I love you.
I love you.